These are all cut at 10 inches. I got the yellow, this blue, and they all have the foil in it. See, they all got foil. So now I'm just trying to figure out what the petals I want to use. So I only cut 6 of each. Hello everybody. So this is what it's looking like now. But look at this. I think that's gonna look sharp. So yeah, this is done. So we've got probably, I was trying to see if I should space these out, but I kind of like them a little more together like this. So I have two more, but I think I might have to put more than that. Probably, let's get those two. I'll show you how to make the petal, and then we'll go from there. Okay. So take, these are all cut at 10 inches, right? So it's a 10 by 10. So if anybody's done the Star Trek one, where you fold it over, right, like this. Well, I fold this one over because I like the way it looks, and then I flip it over and I fold it on this side over, and then I pinch like that, okay, and I just hold it between my fingers, and then the next one, I can't remember what this one's called. So you fold it over, and then you fold it over, and you fold it over, then you go like this, right? Go like that. Right? You gotta make sure that this is really folded good. Fold it over. Now, if you have to put pins to hold it for you, right, if you're not coordinated, I'm not really coordinated to do it, but so then I take this one. Some people will put a little elastic on here or zip tie. I'm trying to save on my zip ties. So here's what you do. Put it in between, and then you squeeze it. There we go. So then you just put your zip tie in. Then you take another one. That's so you can hook it onto the base. If you had a wire base, it'd be different, probably different. I don't know, maybe not, because you can do it too on a wire base like this. Then you just tighten it, and then trim that one off. And then if there's any mesh that's loose like this, just trim it. Okay. Now you cut this off. I usually go about like a thumb, right? And there we go. Get rid of this. Okay. So I'll show you how. I'm gonna bring you closer. There's two. That's close. So I'm trying to get it so it goes underneath near the top. And there we go. That one was easy. That one was easy. And then you just. Do I have this wrong? Yeah, I have it wrong. Let's go this way. So you go like this. Right? And then you estimate the spacing, right? If you really want to, you can measure it all out and be more precise, right? That's totally up to you. This one's not sitting the way I want it to, but anyhow, so then you just tighten it up and you'll see it'll get tighter. Watch. Okay. And then there we go. See? So I got one more to do. So I'm thinking probably 2, maybe 3 more petals on here. So let's, oh, I got 2 more here. So yeah, I might have to cut one more. We'll see. So, I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, I'm on the last petal, you guys. And I'm thinking I'm going to have to put yellow on there. That and trim this. And there you go, you guys. Let's see if this is going to be enough. I can get in there. There we go. I think that should be good. Let's see. Let's pull you back. Oh, I don't know. It might be okay. Just gotta straighten them out. Here, see? See, if you put that like that, you can't just see, but I can see. But if it's gonna go like this, goes like that, I can still see the grapevine. So I'm gonna figure out something from there, and I'll be back. What I'm doing is I'm taking the yellow that I already had cut 10 inches. I'm cutting them in half and making this petal. So I will show you, and then what I do is I put it on here, right? And I just wrap it, I zip tie it, but I wrap it around the wreath base like that. So I just noticed these, because I started putting those, they went kind of in the middle. So now my, yeah, so I have to do that. But I think it'll still work. So I'm going to get this guy on, and I'll be back. Actually, can't get through that. This just gets tied onto the grapevine wreath. Okay, so I put one on each side. I'd use blue, but I don't have any blue. Don't even have yellow. I have white and brown right now. I think I have some colored ones in the house in the box, but nothing that would really work. So then you just try and find a spot. I like to try and find a spot where it needs to be covered a little bit more. Kind of, sort of. So let's go right here. So again, like any other ones, videos that I've shown you guys to put these in, I find, and then I slightly, don't tighten it too tight. Get your other side in. So, let's see here. Get this placed. I'm trying to think where. Where's there? Not this. I should have it over here. There we go. On it. Now I gotta this side. And then we'll double check this, make sure. Okay. Sorry. I have a bad habit of doing that, going off camera. Okay, so I think we got it. Okay, so now we're going to trim these off. I'm going to trim these off. I twist it a few times. So now what we're going to do, I'm just going to straighten these, is our this hummingbird. Do we put 2 in this one? I think what I want to do with this one and just have it maybe kind of like this into the rose. So let's see if we can do that. I need a piece of, here we go. So let's see here. Because it's going to go straight into the foam, right? Maybe. Let's trim this guy a little bit. Okay, what I'm going to do is put some glue on here. My glue pot's over here, you guys can't see it. Like that. See? I'll have it so it goes at an angle. I'll put some glue over top. Okay. Then we take a piece of leaf here. I have a blue one. Look at that. And put it over top. Like that. Right? And then find a spot you want. Let's see here. There we go. Actually, you know what? Why don't we do it from the top here? Needs to be a little bit. There. There it is. Gee, I just have to put the things to hang them, the Chanel stems, and this baby is done. I love this one. I love the colors because blue's my favorite color. So, thanks for watching. Let your creativity shine.